So I got 2002 F150, 185-ish on the clock. It's having problems passing emissions. It's got a System 2 lean bank 1. I'm sorry, bank 2. It is coded for bank 1. I'll show you that in a second. It's not completed catalyst or O2 heater, evap or O2. Sorry, not completed. I'm over here at scan data. Cylinder contribution, if you notice, 1 and 2 are mainly, 3 shows a little bit of it, but I think we got a bad plug on 3. I'll get to that in a minute here. 4 is pretty straight, but 1 and 2, see how much are just throwing off, non-contributing? Come down here. The rest of the motor is contributing, all bank 2 is contributing. So, this is bank 2, bank 1. Remember the 1 and 2, where they were, code menu. Memory of codes, continue. See, bank 1 and 2 are lean, but a P1000, it just means you haven't ran through your monitors, or you haven't ran through all of them. Fords always have that. It is not code for that. In the data, though, this is what I thought was pretty interesting to share. So, we're going to want a feeling. See the pulse widths? Bank 1, bank 2, watch the pulse widths. Bank 2 is always less pulse width. I mean, bank 1's always less pulse width. It's always staying less. I mean, from average to average, we're averaging a lot less pulse width on bank 1 at an idle. See no faults in any injectors. This is what I thought was weird. Look at the long term for bank 1. Look at how rich that is. Negative is rich. Positive is lean. Look at how lean we are for bank 2. So, I'm going to show you what I found here in a second. Open and close loop, mass airflow, whatever. Here's some O2 readings. You see the CAD on bank 2 is kind of, at bank 1 is kind of but you know, we're on a base, so we're not out there. Here's your short terms. See your short terms? They're pretty steady and normal, right? Look at that. That's 6 though. You see how much it takes me to fuel on this on bank 1. Now, let me show you what I found. And you got your light. Where's your light? Come back here. Look. The injectors. See, look at the back one. Cylinder 4, way back there. Cylinder 4, see how it's red right there at the fingertip? Cylinder 3, see it's red right there? Cylinders 1 and 2 are orange, which are the original factory ones. And I also replaced this already. There's a vacuum tube right here for the PCV valve, very common on Ford. They'll leave this little elbow already to help with the vacuum leak. Help steady it out. You come over here. Orange. It's hard for me to show you guys on the phone, but they're all orange. Somebody replaced cylinders. 3 or 4 injectors in this. You do full tune-up, throw some injectors in it, and I'll come back with a follow-up video, follow-up part of this. But that's what I got. 2 F150, right?
Yes.
So here's our field trims after we get done. Look at them. 0, bank 1, -4 a little bit, 2. You can see we've got some graphing going on, but they look all in all pretty well. I'm sure cylinder contribution. All leveled off. Go down some more. Yeah, all straightened out. Want to pop the hood for me? Maybe I said wrong. So I'm gonna let you know the new Ford ones were pink from Ford. But if you look, oh, he switched them all the way back for me. So 1 and 2 had the problem before, right? So and you got a flashlight. Throw those in a box so I can just use a box. So, look. yellow. Now 1 and 2 are still the same injectors. 2 brand new oil, one's back there with some new coils on this side too to help clear out that. You see the in the back? Now Andy didn't put the yellow ones in at first. He put all the pink ones in and the one fucked up one from I don't know where. And we were running Rich on his side with Misfires in 1, 2, 3. So now see just put some plugs over here. Some of these still original injectors. Just cutting back. I can show you that. But now if you look, here's the pink one we were worried about. Here's the culprit right here, cylinder number 4. Like I said, this generic aftermarket injector. Who knows where? This is generic too. The Ford ones had writing on them. Right? The Ford ones had writing on them, right? On the pink ones, yeah. Ford ones had writing on the pink. So even though Fords are pink, but these 2 generics, and you can see it right here in the fuel trim. Look at cylinder number 4's fuel trim. You can tell it's just rich. It's starving the other ones of fuel. Look at 1. It's just being starved of fuel. Running lean. Causing misfires on 1 and 2 mainly. 3 was a slight miss because guess what? It had aftermarket, too much fuel. 4 was dumping fuel where it shouldn't have been. And successful fix. With the 02 Ford. Now we're getting ready to go through emissions. See, I got most of them set. Watch the speed. Catalyst is missing, as you can see the scanning, and we just got O2s and O2 heaters are complete. The EGR is not completed yet either, so that's the second screen. You see that? So we're doing that now. Trick to Fords, you gotta drive these at 5 different speeds within 10 miles, within 10 minutes at 5 different speeds, in between 25 to 45 miles an hour. It's a non-stop do this. Now, as you go through here and do this, you'll also notice you'll click in and out of open loop sometimes, and that'll where the EGR will go through, if you're paying close enough attention. But yes, this one's stop and go traffic. So this one's basically, I can set, I'm a mile away from the shop. I can normally set the catalyst monitor on one of these Fords in a matter of 10 minutes or so. This one needs some shocks really bad though, since I'm sitting. So, alright, and I'll click in the video after I do my few drives around in between those speeds of 25 to 45 miles an hour at different speeds. And so everybody's been paying attention to the mileage. Very short trip, which most people always get confused. They think you need to go X amount of miles. You'll set your monitors. As you can see, the EGR is set. I'm going to pull over here on it. We're in front of Julian's house. And then we're going to look at the other one. See, everything else is set in here. So, therefore, we're good to go. Besides evap, you know, it's Wisconsin, can't test it. But it's good to go through emissions now. So, there you go. Successful fix plus past emissions. Sam's Auto Shop. Don't forget to like and subscribe at the bottom if you want more of my videos. And if you need my help, the best thing you can do is give me a call at 262-456-1939. Thank you very much.